Hi guys, today I have a really quick and easy DIY recipe for you for the holidays. If you're still thinking of some homemade gifts for your family and friends, then this one can be made really fast. And this gingerbread syrup can be used for coffee, for hot chocolate, and for different kind of desserts. So let's get started with the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this seasonal DIY recipe, and I hope you're gonna try it out. I made this really simple, so you can obviously use raw ingredients, so whole cinnamon sticks and ginger and so on to make this kind of syrup. But I thought why not make a really simple version of that, and that's why I used gingerbread spice. So I hope you liked my gingerbread syrup recipe, and if you did, don't forget that thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new recipes. Happy holidays and bye bye until next time.